Good morning, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be working on the G8 and I'm gonna be finishing up the G8 today. So I'm gonna try to get everything done in this one video. I know I have to change that rear control arm that I showed you in a previous G8 video that was bent. So I got to do that. I have to put the lip on the front of the car, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna put the wheels on it or not yet. I have to go get it aligned, so I might get it aligned with the stock wheels, or I might just go ahead and put the wheels on. It just depends on when I get the actual appointment to get it aligned. So it is really cold outside this morning, so I'm gonna keep the garage closed, but I can't get the car in here because it's too much junk in here. But I'm gonna be working outside. So all right, so let's get started. Hopefully this can go through with no hiccups and I can get this stuff together. Okay, I had to paint the grills back black because they painted everything gray. So I just finished doing that, and I put the black hood vents in because one of them flew out on the way back from the paint shop. So just got finished doing all that, and now I just got to do a little bit more, and then I'll put the wheels back on it. Looks much better when it's the color that it's supposed to be. Okay, so I got the new one right here I'm about to put in, and it came out pretty simple. So as you can see, this one is more reinforced than the old one. This is the stock one, and you can see where it bent in at. So this one looks more reinforced, so let me go ahead and get this one thrown in there. And I'll set the time lapse up. Show me put it back in. Okay, I got the rear control arm in there. All the bolts are tightened up. What I'm gonna do now is start to put some of these clips back in. Got some clips that go down here, right here, and on the back bumper. And this is on both sides. And then I'll move the car back, and I have to put the front inner fender well in it also. Right there, the sun is shining so you can't really see. I got to put the inner fender well in there and put the clips in the front bumper. So then I'm gonna do all that when I take these tires off. So actually what I might do now is call the alignment shop and see if I can get them to do an alignment on it before I put the tires and stuff on. Alright, I just finished painting inside of the fender well, just to make it look a little bit better. So I'm about to put the wheel on, and I decided I got an appointment to get the car aligned tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything ready, put the wheels on, and then get everything ready. So when we get it back from the alignment shop, it's good to go, and I don't have to do anything. So, all right. Okay, just got this fender liner in on this side. Put the clips in it. I also sprayed some black paint behind it so everything can match the black, but fender liner is in. Getting ready to put the wheel on and start on the other side. All right, front tire is on. Fender liner is in. And everything's looking good from that standpoint. All right, let me move around to the other side. All right, on the driver's side now, the old fender liner is out. The new one is in. And I just got to paint back there like I did on the other side. But let me show you. The passenger side was the one that was missing. I replaced the driver's side also because, I'll show you. This is the old liner. The driver's side was torn right there where the tire had rubbed it. So I just went and replaced that while I had it out. So let me go ahead and get this tire on and put the splitter on the front right down there, and I'll be done. Okay, just finished putting the lip on, as you can see right there at the bottom. So got everything done. I'm gonna back it up now and just probably put some air in the tires and just get it ready to go to get the alignment tomorrow. So go ahead and clean this. Let me go ahead and close this video out. With the walk around of the G8. The car is dirty, it still needs to be washed, but see, I got the lip on it, the wheels are on it. The only thing I wish I would have done now is I wish I would have did a better job with fixing the bumper back there, but other than that, everything else looks good. And I think the hood scoops being black, I think that worked out with the grill, the splitter, and of course the wheels. So okay, just finished up the G8. Gave you a little walk around of how everything looked. I finished up just in time. My son actually comes home tomorrow. After you see this video, he would be home, but it left me with basically a couple of hours to spare before he actually came home. So everything went together as smooth as possible. With this whole build, I ran into a lot of issues, but after I just did everything today and that one clip you saw yesterday, everything seems to go together perfectly fine. So closing out this G8 project, hopefully I can keep it closed. This was kind of unexpected for this year. I never planned on having to work on it this year, but things come up. So hopefully we can keep it safe and I don't have to do anything else to it this year. And my son can enjoy the car. So thank you for watching. Click that subscribe button if you haven't. Click on that notification bell and look at some of my new videos that's coming out. If you're here just because of the G8, there's a lot of other stuff I got going on, so check it out. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.